That's right, guys. Bitcoin is dumping. But why is this stupid asset dumping? I thought it's going to the moon next, right, Michael? Yes, that is correct. But first, it has to shake people out like you, if you're in disbelief, people that cannot become astronauts, to breathe the thin air that we're gonna have at higher prices towards the moon. All right. So if you're one of these people, then make sure to watch this video until the end, because we're having quite obvious signs that this is the preparation of a massive move to the upside. We have a cup and handle pattern with a huge price target, I will tell you in this video, and also we have indicators showing that we're not even close to the next top. All of that and more in this video. As always, this is not financial advice. Crypto is risky, you can lose all of your money, but that's why you're watching this channel, to get a higher chance of success. I'm even showing you how to automate trading strategies that are very good fully for free. Just watch my videos. With all of that in mind, let's get started. First of all, let's check if Bitcoin is overvalued. Are we close to the next top? Is the bull market over, right? And you can already tell by me laughing what the answer might be. But let's prove it with numbers, okay? Here you have the Bitcoin MVRVZ score. And the yellow line is that score, and the blue line is the Bitcoin price. And you can see here, whenever the yellow line was peaking, then we also had a peak in the Bitcoin price. Okay, so we had that happen here, actually here as well, here, 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 and here. Now, the thing is that last time in the bull market, we didn't have it go into the red zone. It touched the red zone here, but it didn't go fully into the dark red zone. Fine, but it was a top and it had lower highs after that, right? This means that it's basically over. So here, around here, which was basically here, this price zone, you could have sold, right? Okay, now, how does it look right now? Are we having the next top? What does this score say? Well, you can see for yourself, we are here with the MVRVZ score. We're not even close to the levels that we need, above 7 and even above 8. So guys, as you can see, we are very far away from Bitcoin being overvalued. We are, in my opinion, creating the next leg up. We're creating a next pattern that will then allow us to go to the next leg up, because patterns have to form and it takes time. Now, let me show you which pattern is forming right now and what the price target is, because you will be quite surprised. And the pattern that I'm talking about is the cup and handle reversal pattern, okay? And it looks like a cup and handle, because first of all, the price is dropping into the cup, forming this rounded bottom, right? And then it doesn't immediately break out, right? Instead, it forms this handle, this channel, right? And you might remember how Bitcoin looks right now. It's exactly in this type of channel right here. Now, what is the price target? Well, it's from the bottom of the cup until the breakout of this handle. And we're going to check that out on the chart right now. So as you can see here on the chart, Bitcoin is forming pretty much a cup and handle. So this is the handle, right? This is the channel we were talking about. And this is the cup, right? The rounded bottom. It's never perfect, so don't expect it to be perfectly round, okay? It's never the case. But now we're bouncing around here and it's super boring, right? And people lose money. I even had some losing trades. It's totally normal. And I will show you after this what my trading strategies are doing, how they're playing the market. Because as you know, I'm not actually trading manually at all. For me, everything is fully automatic. And that's also what the whole channel is about. It's about Michael automating his trades, and I'm showing you how to do the same. So now let's go back to the chart and check what the price target is for this cup and handle pattern. And guys, you have to remember one thing, okay? This is the price to pay, okay? This long consolidation to create this handle, right, of the cup. This is the price to pay for having such a pattern forming and then hopefully breaking out, right? You have to wait for it to happen, okay, guys? Now, once you see the price target, you'll be more than happy to wait for it, and you will forget all the losses you made in the freaking consolidation phase, okay? So what is the price target? Well, let's go back here and remember, we have to take a line from the bottom to the top to the possible breakout and then measure to the top the same amount, the same distance, right? Okay, so let's take a line and let's go to the bottom to the breakout would be here, right? Roughly. And then let's say it breaks out roughly here next week or so. Then you can see this line is off the charts, guys, okay? So this cup and handle pattern has a breakout target of $300,000. Okay, guys. So if that happens, right, do you still regret waiting for it here? Because then you basically got your reward, your candy, okay? You need to wait for it. So yes, you have some chopping around and it's not fun, it's boring, and you don't know what's going to happen next. That's why you watch this channel, right? Because basically I'm telling you what's going to happen next. And so the thing is, the pattern has to form, and this pattern is so large, and so the price target is very high as well, right? Because the pattern is so large that then the price target is also large. You need to give it time. Okay, guys? So once this thing breaks out, and in my opinion, it's quite high probability that it will break out, this will make a lot of money. Okay? Until then, it's boring as hell. Okay? You might even consider not trading at all inside of this freaking channel. Okay, now you know the price target. You know that we're not even close to the next top, but how am I playing the market? What am I doing right now? And most importantly, what are my trading strategies doing? Let me show you on the chart. I have 3 strategies. Some of them are invested, some of them are not invested. Let's check it out. We have bot 1, which this is its performance historically since 2018. This is how I play it, right? Since 2018. And this strategy is invested right now, and it bought over here at around 58,300 and is now slightly in profit. Okay, it is in profit about 7%. That's not a lot, but hey, whatever. Like, making money in this stupid market, in this sideways market, is better than nothing, right? So this strategy is invested. It has a certain amount of money that I've decided to give it based on its historic performance. That's all nice. Let me show you the next strategy. The next strategy is called bot too slow. These are the performance numbers for that strategy. Made 2,400% profit, 17% drawdown, 77% profitable trades. Sometimes it ignores a couple of uptrends because there might not be good uptrends. So that is why this strategy is not invested right now. It has ignored this and this trade over here, and it made quite a great amount of money in the past. So the last trade that made a lot of money here was almost 100% in profit. This was a losing trade. This stuff happens 11%, right? But in total, since 2018, this strategy has done a great job. Now, one is invested, one is not invested. What about the third one? The third strategy is called bot too fast. Fast because it's selling faster, right? It is getting out of the trend when it breaks down faster than the other one, but also it takes more trades in general, which is why it had a couple of losing trades here, because this is a sideways market. And in a sideways market, trend following strategies struggle a little bit. But that's fine, because this strategy still made 2,200% profit with 20% max drawdown and 57% profitable trades, 3.5 profit factor. Pretty good, works very well on altcoins. But right now it is in this losing trade, which is minus 5% at the moment. Well, is that good or bad? For me, it's fine. The whole point of this is to automate the whole thing so I don't have to think about when to buy and when to sell, because overall, this strategy made a massive amount of money, okay? And now if you are a very smart person and you paid attention, then you actually figured out that bot 1 is invested and is more in profit than bot 2 is in a loss. So I'm still in profit. And that is how to play the market, guys. No emotions, no opinions, no news. Everything is automatic and it makes money over time. I love it. And if you want to do exactly the same, then head over to autotrading.vip. I share with you the exact same process I'm using for many years to automate the crypto markets, my whole portfolio, and to outperform most investors, okay, with investing 0 time, because everything is automatic. If you care about this, go to this website, watch this video. If you like what this video is saying, then apply for access. You will get access to my strategies and to my knowledge, to my trading community, and it's awesome. Okay, people love this stuff. As you can see here, we have only 5-star ratings. Click on it, read it, okay? But keep in mind, we don't let everybody in. We have an approval process, okay? So that's why you have to click on apply for access. You're gonna talk to me, and then we're gonna see if it makes sense for both of us. And if that's the case, I love to welcome you. And keep in mind, if you want to automate trading strategies, then use signum.money. This is the best software for automation on the planet. It's my software, but it's also made exactly for retail investors who want to have the easiest life possible when automating their trading strategies. In fact, the next video you should watch is very popular because it shows you how to automate a trading strategy that is free, makes money, and it takes only 5 minutes. Watch that video now, and I see you over there. Bye-bye. Trade.